Alright, so this is a test run of Peso's jet-powered go-kart. We have the gas producer jet engine there. We have an empty spot where the power turbine will be that drives the rear wheels. We've got the oil system humming away. Got the custom full authority digital engine controller cranking away. We've got steering wheel firmware, which has not been fully implemented yet. Not really necessary at this point. What is necessary and very useful is this graphic user interface coded by Elise that gives us all the parameters and allows us to start and stop the cart remotely. It all operates via XB. So right now it's finishing a cool down cycle, so the starter's engaged, blowing cool air through the engine, and we're about to run a power cycle and restart the cart. So turn it off, turn it back on. You can hear the oil pump. Bring the oil system up to pressure. Let the cart make sure that everything's ready to go. And then when I press start, we'll go ahead, engage the starter motor, spool it up, add some starting fuel, which you just heard, and then it'll preheat for 30 seconds. After that 30 seconds, it's going to go ahead and spool up for a full start. It preheats for 30 seconds or until it detects a suitable exhaust gas temperature for combusting liquid fuel in the combustion chamber. Disconnecting the starting fuel. Steffen on the throttle. Go ahead and throttle it up. Throttle it up. And that's a run. Now it's engaging again for the cool down cycle. So it blows cool air through until all of the rotating components are cool and until the oil's nice and cool. And that's a wrap.